Here at Lloyd Land Rover Kelso, we are pleased to present this Defender V8 Carpathian Edition, finished in Carpathian Grey with Satin PPF, with 22-inch satin dark grey alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include matrix LED headlights, front fog lights, fixed side steps, power folding heated door mirrors, keyless entry, sliding panoramic roof, privacy glass, and on the rear of the vehicle we can see the electrically deployable tow bar and the quad tailpipes. As we look now behind the rear door, we can see the load space with the 20/40 rear folding seats. Entering into the rear of the cabin now, we can see the sliding panoramic roof from the inside, and we have the Ebony Windsor Leather seats with centre armrest, ISOFIX child seat mounts, and on the centre console we have the second row climate controls. Looking now into the front of the cabin, we can see the Meridian surround sound system badge on the door card, as we turn into view the electric, heated and cooled front seats. As we turn now to the suede cloth wrapped multifunction steering wheel, we have the adaptive cruise control as well as the heated steering wheel button, the interactive driver display with satellite navigation, and the head-up display on the dash. And to the left of the steering wheel, the hands-free mobile controls. On the touch display we have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support. We can see the heated and cooled seat controls. We have the 3D surround camera display with towing assist. And on the center console we can see the climate controls with the ride height buttons and gear selector. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.